In this video, we are going to see that if we want to turn off all the notifications from TikTok that is shown on your Android app. So whether someone sends you message, someone sends you any video, or there is a new update on TikTok, you might be getting a lot of notifications. Here's how you can turn off all of them or a couple of them. First of all, just head over to the settings on your phone. And from here, you scroll all the way down to the section where it says all apps or apps management, something like that. That is related to app settings. Click on that and head over to the app list. Now, once you see the complete list, you need to find TikTok here. Here's TikTok. Next to it is this arrow sign. We click on that. And from here, we can see the top options for notifications. Here it is. Just click on that. And if the notifications are allowed, you might set to the reminder intensity to mute or low. And if you don't want to see all the notifications altogether, you can just toggle allow notifications options to the off position. And that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.